So delighted to have Nick Money in the studio today. So Nick, credit unions, what are they, and why should people be interested in them?
I think people should be interested in them.
So
Unfortunately, sadly, in Britain, relatively few people have heard of credit unions. But in Ireland, where I also work, there are 3 million credit union members out of a population of 5 million people. So it's a different ballgame. You go to the Caribbean, you go to the US, you go to Canada. I was in Uganda last year and met with credit unions there. They're massive in various places around.
What are they?
So what credit unions are fundamentally is a savings, the nuts and bolts of it. It's savings and loans done cooperatively.
Yep.
So you and I save in the credit union. You need to borrow, so you can borrow from the credit union. And you'll get a reasonable rate because the credit union is only there to help you and I with our financial well-being.
Yep.
That's what it's constructed for, and it's owned by us. So all any to the extent that there are surpluses generated, those can be either given back to us in the form of a dividend or recycled into better products and services. It's a sort of virtuous circle model that cooperatives have at their. It's an opportunity for cooperatives. It's something that sometimes they struggle to make real, but. So British credit unions, many of them do great work in communities where people are on low or moderate incomes, where they may have less choice in financial services, where people don't want to lend to them or only want to lend to them at a very high rate, or aren't interested in encouraging them with small lending. So credit unions small savings, I should say. So credit unions in Britain do a great job there, and they are increasing now to trying to serve their communities more broadly. So that everyone in the community can be a part of the credit union and be a co-owner of a community asset and a service provider.
That's great. Thank you.